Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create an Upwork account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type upwork.com and hit on enter right now. This right here is the interface, and right now we just want to create an account. Well, here's what we can do about it. In the navbar at the rightmost section, you will find the sign up button. Simply click on it. Then something like this will open up. It's gonna ask you whether you want to join as a client or a freelancer. The choice is up to you, but for now, I'm gonna select the freelancer one and apply as a freelancer. It's giving me two options to sign up, whether using Apple, Google, or simply filling out the forms myself. I'm gonna enter all of them, and as you can see, I have filled out everything. Now what you need to do is simply click on this checkbox right here and click on create my account. Once you have clicked the button, it says us to verify our email address. Simply go to Gmail and you will have received an email in the registered email address. Here is the email I had received. What I want to do is simply click on this button that says verify email. And guys, that's it. That's how we create your Upwork account. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.